welcome my vlog sa YouTube channel ko guys na dumami ng mga followers ko guys sa YouTube sa nagawan guys. Medyo bright kayo sa aking YouTube channel ko. Sana iportahan mo guys. Sana dumami ng mga followers ko guys. Kain tayo guys. Kaligagato ko guys ng galing ko sa labas ng bahay sa Atires. Pumunta ko tapos ito ko tambay, nakain ako. Nakain ko kaya hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nagpayment ako ng YouTube. Milo guys oh.
If it's happening because they are friends, you know, Joe Artiga and Sam Hanaga are friends. All smiles.
Guys, sana pa tayo mo guys sa YouTube po.
81 to 52. Here, 3 minutes and 13 seconds na lamang po para sa ating fourth quarter. Sama natin with an inbound. 3 minutes and 30 seconds in this quarter back. Over the jumper, what a work.
Haba na nag-jump.
It was a good box shot. It was a good rebound there. Medyo Artiga, but medyo stepping on the line tayo. Legislation 1, we started itong ating invitationals and it's around April and just 2 months. We're heading dito sa ating professional league. First ever women's professional basketball tournament here in the Philippines.
Guys, may ng mga video ko guys. Paalam mo na ako guys. Bye bye.
Another free throw here for Joe Artiga. You know, this is what I'm saying. Kasi nakano,
Hindi nga sana important mo ko sa mga vlog ko guys.
10 for 4 can give you good shot, can give you good, you know, execution. Pero down to the last man, kaya talaga na gawin yung sistema ni Coach Cholo Villanueva. And yung sa palagay ko naman na parang wala or kulang dito sa Tagaytay ko. Medyo kulang yung bench nila. Kaya nawala na yung dalawa of their scorers. Nahirapan silang natin. So you really see yung dependence sila dito kay Paraiso, X1. They go for this outside shot, still not working on their end. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Last break opportunity as Mini Aquino goes in control.
Guys, babay mo na ako guys.